this season. Share your Christmas story. Filled to the brim with healthy and wholesome treats, there is nothing quite like giving or receiving a gift from Healthy Options. From our premium gourmet gift baskets or all-natural beverages, there's something for everyone on your Christmas gift list. Find high-energy, gluten-free, low-sodium, and family-friendly options for any health enthusiast. Choose from natural beauty travel kits, body care, and bath products, and a variety of all-natural sparkling grape juices and organic wines to toast to the season. If you're still unsure, give the gift that keeps on giving with our Healthy Options gift cards. Whatever story you choose to tell this Christmas, the best way to say it is with a gift from Healthy Options. Visit any of our stores nationwide or shop online at www.healthyoptions.com.ph.